Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. We're looking at page 29 of Standard of Excellence, Books 1. And here we go with 129, Slippery Slurs. Check your key signature. Watch for those slurs. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, about that tempo. And moving on to 130 Waltz Street, still in 3, which waltzes always are. We're going to get a little slower this time. All right, so 131, theme from Symphony No. 9. This is also known as Ode to Joy. Alright, so ready or not, we're moving slowly and working on getting used to those high C's that were introduced to us at the end of page 28. And moving on down to 133, Lieber Augustine. All right, and one more song for page 29, and that is Go for Excellence. Key of B flat, into 4, and we have one single measure repeat as the second measure. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.